To work with the screens, you need to use the white service panel to the right of the professor's computer. To start things off, make sure you're on the home screen with the white background. If you're on the screen with the black background, click the bottom center button to go to the home screen. Once you're at the home screen, click Reset Sources. This will ensure that each screen shows what's directly connected to them. So the whiteboard will show the professor's PC, the orange TV will show what's connected to the orange TV, and so on. Then, to turn the screens on, click the All On button. At each table, the black compartment contains power outlets as well as HDMI cables. If a student's laptop has no HDMI port, they may rent an adapter from the front desk of the library. Attached to each HDMI cable is a puck which will be used to select which device is shown for each display. Once the HDMI cable has been plugged in, the puck will have a white ring around the top. To set the display to a given laptop, tap the 1 button which will turn the puck green. To display a certain laptop across all displays, click the All Displays button and click the display you want to show across all the displays. You can then reset the screens with the Reset Sources button once you're done. For the tables, sound will come out of the TVs. You shouldn't need to change the volume, but if you need to, then you can use the black NEC remote to change the volume on each TV. We recommend muting the volume on the projector since it has a noticeable delay from the TVs. To do this, tap the small angled triangle on the whiteboard and turn the volume all the way down. Audio for the projector is handled by the standing speaker. Turn it on using the switch at the bottom of the speaker, and you can control the volume from the computer itself. Once the class is done, press the All Off button to turn off all the displays and instruct the students to return the HDMI cables back into the compartments. If you have any questions or issues, do visit the Elite desk and we will be happy to help.